Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer routines, second layer basic weekly plan, third layer zones or zone. So we're going to start with our routines. We have 5 of them. The morning routine for yourself and your children if you have them, your laundry routine, your paper routine, your after dinner routine, your before bed routine. Then the basic weekly plan. On Thursday, that is errand day. So that's doing things like going to the post office, going to the library, running by the dry cleaners, dropping things off for people, picking things up for people, even going to the doctors. And then finally your groceries, if that's something you go out to do. Okay, so that's errand day. And when you get home with the groceries, completing the process by putting everything away nicely the way you imagined it in your head. So preparing your vegetables, putting them in containers, preparing your fruits if that's what you do, putting everything on the shelf, putting everything in an orderly manner, like things together. So this is what we do on errand day. And then the last thing is the zone, and we are in zone 3, and zone 3 again is the bathroom and one other room. Okay, so we talked about that in depth yesterday. If you need to, please go back and rewatch yesterday's where I discuss zone 3. Okay. It could have been the day before yesterday. It's one of those. Anyway, today we're talking about how to combine all these things together. So if you are an at-home fly baby, then you're going to be doing your morning routine and then your children's routines. Then you're going to go straight into the laundry, run a load of laundry. While the laundry's going, go through an inch of paper. Remember, this is an inch. Just sorting it out, not handling it, putting it in the handle basket on your desk. Anything that needs to be filed or handled requiring some kind of action goes in that basket. Anything else goes in the garbage. Most of paper that has been sitting around for a long time, studies show, is garbage. One of my fly babies just told me she found $10. You know, you never know what you're going to find in the paper. Okay, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and do your basic weekly plan. However, on Thursdays, that entails leaving the home. So we're going to stop before we do that. We're going to switch it around and do zone 3 first, so that when you leave the home, all your at-home things have been done. So do zone 3, the main bathroom and one other room. You're either doing 15 minutes in the bathroom or in that other room of decluttering, or you're doing one cleaning job either in the bathroom or that one other room. That's it. Then you go and you do your routine, your basic weekly plan, which is errands. Then when you come back, put everything away. You straightened out your refrigerator yesterday, give it a little wipe out so it'll be a nice place to put your groceries and also your pantry and your freezer. And make sure that you have dinner prepared, or you're thinking about what you're going to prepare for dinner, that it's an easy dinner on this day. Okay? All right, now if you are working outside the home, you're going to start by doing your morning routine, putting your children through their routines if you have children, and then going to work and giving your full attention to work. Whether you're a payroll fly baby who works in the home, separate from the children, no children involved in work time, no house care involved in work time. Okay, so whether you're in the home or outside of the home, focus on your job. Be the best that you can be. Make yourself proud, okay? On your lunch hour or your break, you can think about the basic weekly plan, which today is the errands. So maybe you can run a few errands on your lunch hour. Maybe you can go ahead and put your grocery list in the computer at Weight Watchers, at Walmart or wherever else you do your groceries, and have someone pick them up. You can delegate that to a family member, or you can have them delivered, or you can pick them up yourself on your way home or on Saturday, whatever you decide. So you do what's best for you. The other thing you're going to think about, especially on that last break, is the basic weekly home blessing hour, the weekly home blessing hour. If you've delegated that, if your kids are coming back from school soon, you're going to call and remind them that you've delegated something to them, and remind them what it is, and remind them not to spend more than 10 minutes on it. And then when you get home, you'll be inspecting what you expect. And then one more time on your way home, if you have to drive in, reminding them. Or one more time before you leave your office, reminding them, giving them an opportunity, because children procrastinate. Your inner child is also a procrastinator. I know many of you write to me all the time, oh, I procrastinate, and that's why I'm in this shape. That's true. So you can't let your child run your household. You can't let your child run your life, your inner child. You have to do the things you want to do. So remember that you're in charge, not your inner child, okay? When you come into your home, into the workspace now that you've left your business and you're at work, home rather, you're going to inspect what you expect. If the jobs haven't been done, you're going to give the circumstance that they've chosen, the, what's it called? If you either choose that or you have the net consequence, sorry, the consequence, so you either let them take the consequence that they've chosen, or they've done the job. Either way, nobody's fussing. You're going to say good job if they did it. You're going to say, oh, I'm sorry that you chose the consequence, but you have to put yourself in a position where it's absolutely not discussed. It's going to happen. And then you're going to do the job, because the job has to be done. And then you're going to start supper, start your laundry, go through an inch of paper. While supper is simmering, you're going to do 15 minutes in zone 3 if you're decluttering, or 5 or 10 minutes in there if you have one item to clean, one thing to clean. And that's it. And then you're going to have dinner. You're going to have after dinner routine with the family, and the before bed routines. Now, the thing that I didn't mention today is that all of us will be doing 3 clutter checks a day. One in the morning, one when you first get home, or one in the afternoon if you're staying at home, and one before bed. Clutter checks again is to check for that mindless clutter that just kind of comes in on the wave of life. It's like seaweed gathering on the shore, and you want to get it out of there before it turns into permanent clutter. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous Thursday, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.